How to filter unread emails in Apple Mail. Step 1. Open the Mail app. Step 2. Tap on any mailbox like Inbox or All Mail. Step 3. In the bottom left corner, tap the filter icon. It looks like a circle with 3 lines. Step 4. By default, it might filter flag or other emails. Tap Filtered By at the bottom. Step 5. Select Unread and tap Done. Now, you'll only see unread emails. If you are using on Mac, Step 1. Open the Mail app on your Mac. Step 2. At the top of your mailbox, click the filter icon. Step 3. Choose Unread from the drop-down filter options. And that's it! You are now filter unread emails in Apple Mail. No more hunting through hundreds of messages.